In this video, I will show you how to download Google Map offline. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, go to your Google Map app. After you open your Google Map app, all you have to do just go and search for the location that you want to download. So let's say I want to download like United States, United Kingdom. So after you come to the section that you want to download, as you can see, so use your hand to zoom in the location that you want to download. So for me, I want to download, let's say, this location. So all you have to do, just tap on this your profile at the top right side. So tap on this offline map. Under this offline map, all you have to do, just tap on this select your own map. So in this section, it will allow you again to select the location that you want to download. As you can see, here is the location. I already selected the location. So use your hand to zoom in and out the location. So here it will give you the size of the location. As you can see, 15 MB. So tap on this download. Tap on this download now. So as you can see, now it's downloading. Here is the site that I'm downloading. So as you can see here, it says 17. Here is download. So after it finished downloading, all you have to do, just tap on this, tap on it. It will open for you like this one. As you can see, just if you tap on it, it will open the location for you. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.